I wonder who can it be?
Hi, Squidward!
It's Patrick. That's just great. Patrick, of all people. What to do, Squiddy? What to do? What to do?
Still where to go here, Squiddy? Hi, Squidward! I was wondering if we go to Jellyfish Fields today. I don't know where Spongebob is.
Probably down there in Jellyfish Fields waiting for you. Yeah. I'm not interested. See ya later. The nerve of him. Hi, Squidward! Ah! What do you want? I was wondering if we could go down to Jellyfish Fields. I don't know where Patrick is. He's out in the door!
Or waiting for me. Oh, here's SpongeBob out there. In there. Huh? Whatever. I hear him. Hi, SpongeBob.
Hi, Patrick! Can you just shut up? I'm trying to have a relaxing day. But guess what? You two seem to intrude every day. Patrick at least has the decency to knock on the door. But you just sneaked up on me. He gave me a heart attack. I didn't know that, Squidward. You probably have, I don't know, a heart disease? No, I don't! It's just a saying! Anyways, get out of my house! Alright, Squidward, we'll be waiting out here just in case you want to go jellyfishing with us.